think a lot of people use Google Calendar. I know I do. My life is on Google Calendar, and I can see his calendar and my calendar and our business calendar all in one place. My tip is that you can search. This is what it looks like. You can see it in month view or week view or day view, but I'm a big picture kind of person. I always like to see it in month view. I say my whole life is on Google Calendar, so if I have a question about when something was or is, I ask Google Calendar. So for example, a lot of you I think know that Jim got a new hip last year, and somebody asked me when. I say, I don't remember. It was sometime last year. But I can just go to Google Calendar, click the search in the upper right-hand corner, and type hip, and then press enter. And there we go. Jim hip surgery, June 5. If I click on the 5, then it takes me to the calendar, and I can see that I have my calendar, the Geeks On Tour calendar, and Jim's calendar for June 5, 2023. And it said it was on June 5th, and there we go, Jim. So another example, we went to a concert sometime in the past year of the Fab Four, the Beatles tribute band, and they were great. Let's say I was talking to someone said, we went and saw that. When did you go? I don't know, but I can just ask Google Calendar, Fab Four, and press enter, and there we have it. It was on December 1, 2023. Another example, how about one for in the future? I need to, I'm thinking, I think I might have a little tooth problem here. When is my next dentist appointment, or do I have to make one now? I go to search and I type dentist and enter, and look at all that. It is showing me all the way back to August 2022 every time we've had a dentist appointment. But here is the next one, September 30. So using that information, I can decide whether or not I want to make an earlier appointment or not. And the last one is we have another big trip planned for sometime this year, and I say, when is that? I got to make sure that I'm not scheduling anything conflicts. We are going to the Panama Canal. So I can type Panama Canal, and it says, that starts on August 8 and goes through August 22. Once again, I can click on one of them, and then I can click on month to see the way I like to see it visually. And that is my quick tip about searching in Google Calendar.